So we're told that when a certain rubber ball is dropped, so let's say it drops like this is the ground, then it goes up to 75% as high as the distance it fell. So let's say the initial height is h. This is the first bounce. And then it's going to go up. This height here will be 0.75 h. Then it's going to go down. And then it will be, this height will be 75% of that. So you'll get a square. And then it will come back down. So the question is, how many times are we, how much distance it had traveled vertically by the time it struck the ground for the second time. For the third time. So this is the first, this is the second, and then this would be the third. So the distance, so that you're going up and down, so it's going to be twice that. And then twice this here because you're going up and then down. And then we have the initial fall. That's the total vertical distance it's traveled. And the condition is that this is equal to 2146. And that's what we're going to use to find the height that the ball was dropped from. Let's see. This, yeah, I'm going to use the fraction, the 3/4. So 0.75 is 3/4 to kind of make the calculation easier. 9/16 plus 2 times 3/4 h. So we have an h outside, so I can actually factor out the h. 8 and then 2. So this is 9/8 plus 3/2 plus 1. And then this would be multiplied by 4/4. So 12/8 plus 8/8. So 20/29/8h. That's 2146 times 8/29. Maybe this is divisible by 29. I'm not sure, but let me approximate it as 30. I'm just trying to be lazy here. 2146 divided by 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 1 is 3. So 715 times 8/10. Because notice the answer choices are approximate height. So I get 564. I hope there wasn't any mistake in this calculation. But since I increased it, we expect the value to be higher. So 600 is the closest. So choice C. Let me just see if 29 goes into 2146. Generally, GMAT doesn't really have you do these kind of calculations, but maybe it does go evenly. 203, so 29 times 7, and then this would be 1129 times 4. Oh, yeah, I guess they are at 74. So yeah, that's generally kind of what I expect, but I didn't want to be doing division by 29. So this is 2146/29 is 74. So the answer is 74 times 8. So I get 592. So, but yeah, I guess, you can approximate. So do what you're comfortable with. I kind of did what, I generally do. But then if I have time in the exam, I'll just kind of confirm, because generally they don't give you ugly numbers on the GMAT because they know that's not the purpose of the test. So to summarize, the answer is C.